Danny, where's Dad? Eli, where's Dad?
I don't know.
Go get him.
No.
Why?
He might get me.
He might get you.
Yeah.
Okay, go get him. I'll follow you. Go get him. I'm coming. What's the matter, Eli? Where is he? Go find him. You don't know where Dad is?
No.
Are you sure? Go get him. Old man Troy.